Cryogenic cooling operates at temperatures below 123 Kelvin, minus 150 degrees Celsius, utilizing specialized cryogens like liquid nitrogen, 77 Kelvin, and liquid helium, 4.2 Kelvin, to drastically alter thermal and electrical behavior. By reducing thermal noise and lattice vibrations to near zero, cryogenic environments unlock extreme efficiency and stability in ultra-high performance technologies. Core operating principles. 1. Thermal noise suppression. Lowering atomic movement reduces electrical resistance and signal interference, allowing ultra-precise measurements and higher signal-to-noise ratios. 2. Superconductivity activation. Materials transition to a zero-resistant state when cooled below critical thresholds, enabling lossless power transmission and ultra-strong magnetic fields. 3. Phase change heat transfer. Utilizing open or closed-loop thermodynamic cycles, such as pulse tube or Gifford-McMahon cryocoolers, ensures continuous, localized thermal dissipation from high-density components. Key applications across advanced tech. Sector. Primary function. Operational impact. Quantum computing. Dilution refrigerators cool superconducting qubits down to 15 millikelvin. Maintains quantum coherence and prevents thermal energy from destroying qubit states. Aerospace and space systems. Cools infrared sensors, space telescopes, and liquid propellant rocket engines. Enhances optical detection clarity in deep space and maximizes thrust efficiency. Medical imaging, MRI. Liquid helium cools superconducting magnetic coils to critical temperatures. Generates powerful, stable magnetic fields required for high-resolution anatomical imaging. Advanced machining. Liquid nitrogen spraying during high-speed CNC metal cutting. Replaces toxic cutting fluids, extends tool life, and improves surface finish. Innovations transforming the field. 1. Closed-loop helium conservation. Advanced cryocoolers now recapture, recompress, and reliquefy helium gas, mitigating global helium shortages and slashing operating costs. 2. On-chip microcryocooling. Microfluidic and MEMS-based cryogenic loops are being integrated directly into silicon packages to eliminate thermal throttling in high-density processors. 3. Green cryogenics. Development of eco-friendly, non-toxic refrigerant mixtures and high-efficiency thermodynamic cycles aims to minimize energy footprints.